Don't miss a beat, join the notification squad by clicking that bell. You'll get notified every time I upload a video, and be sure to join our Discord to talk and get help with your code.
Hey, what's up guys, welcome to episode 3 of the Git series, and today I'm gonna show you how to ignore files, make changes and push them to a website. Okay, so first we are going to create a git ignore file, and a git ignore file is a file that lets you ignore other files from being committed to your repository. So if you for some reason have a config file with some sensitive data like passwords to your database or something, you might want to ignore that file from being committed and push to a website, let's say to GitHub or something. And this makes it possible, the git ignore file. And first we're gonna start creating it. So let's go to our Git Bash client. If you don't know how to open it, remember, it's right click here, then Git Bash here, and this will open. Now we're going to create a git ignore file, and for that we're gonna use the right arrow and dot git ignore. This dot is important to have it, so remember to use a dot, then that git ignore. Well, yeah, hit enter. You wanna see the file get created here. We're going to open it. Okay, so once we have a file that we need to commit, use git status. You're gonna see that it is red right here. So if this is the file for the config that has the passwords and everything, you can do here in the git ignore file, you can type the file name, so git ignore me.txt, save it, then go here and type git status, and you're gonna see that the file is not there anymore. Okay, now if we want to remove, let's say, a whole directory, and because it has something we don't want to show, like, I don't know, some pictures, weird pictures, you know what I mean, we have to do hi slash or folder name and a slash stating that it's a folder. So hit save. You're gonna see that this folder is gonna disappear. So git status, and it disappeared. Now our photos are protected from the internet. Okay, so let's say we have some config files, a lot of config files, and you don't want to type like every single one of them, like config.txt, then config.dv.txt. You can just do config and an asterisk after it and hit save, and you're gonna see, wait, first I'm gonna show you that every file is here. So if we do config that and an asterisk after it, hit save, and then we go here and type git status, you're gonna see that every single config file got disappeared. So if a file starts with config, it's gonna disappear. Okay, so let me show you how can this not work. And let's, for example, say we're going to remove every single file with the dv name. If you type dv and asterisk, hit save, you go git status, you're gonna see that the file is still there. So you have to do is this, put an asterisk here and there, and hit save and git status, and you're gonna see that the file disappeared. And if you want to like not remove a file that has dv.js, let's say, you just want to remove that file, you hit save, you git status, you're gonna see that the file is here because it contains dv.txt and not .js. So if you want to remove all files, use an asterisk there, hit git status, and you're gonna see that all dv files got removed. Okay, so now I'm going to commit the changes, and you're gonna see that status, that every config file it's not there. So I'm going to git commit -m, remember, the quotation mark, and inside them I'm going to type added or ignored some files. Hit enter, and oops, I did the same thing again. Okay, so git status, nothing is there. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to go back to changes you made earlier, and for that we need to check the logs of every commit we've made so far. So if you type git log, you're gonna see every single commit you did and their hash ID. It's the name, I actually forgot it, but yeah, it's a hash something for the commit. So if we want to, let's say for the first episode we did second commit and the first commit, so if we want to redo or revert these changes, you can just copy this hash ID or whatever and hit Control Insert to copy. You cannot use Control C to copy, you have to use Control Insert to copy it. Then you type git revert and then Shift Insert to paste the hash ID there. Hit enter. You're gonna see that here things got removed, and for things I mean the git ignore files, because that's the only thing we committed to our repository. So here you're gonna see that it's gonna ask you to change the commit message. If you wanna change it, just hit A, and so you can write in it, and then type here, and I'm just gonna say yay. Then to exit, hit escape, then semicolon, W and Q. W and Q means write and quit, and hit enter. And you're gonna see that this got reverted, and you see that the git ignore file is not there anymore. It's here because that's how Notepad works. If I close it, it's gonna close, and if I save it, it's gonna get saved here, and you see that it appeared magically. So let me show you one more time how this works. Okay, so I'm gonna add everything and commit everything. So commit Hashem hit enter, then git log, and here you go up, copy this and Control Insert. Here if you can type anything, just hit Q, and then you go git revert, Shift Insert, hit enter, and you're gonna see that every single file committed got disappeared. And we can do, if you didn't hit A, you can just do semicolon write and quit, and you see that everything got reverted successfully. If you check the log, you're gonna see that here it says revert A, and this reverts the commit, this one. So if we want to revert I know that sounds weird, we copy this hash thing, hit Q, and then git revert and Shift Insert, hit enter, and you're gonna see that the files got back to our possession again. So here, let me just semicolon write and quit, and that is it. That's as easy as it seems, yes. But that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned how to create a git ignore file, how to revert changes. If you didn't understand that well, you can just rewatch the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you on the next video.